Hey guys, it's a little sunny out there, but it will hurt your eyes when we get on this damn lawnmower. We're gonna go on the lawnmower. I think there's a flat on here. He's been telling me there's probably a freaking hole in this thing, but I don't care. Where did all that came from? I wasn't there before. So let's get on the lawnmower. First of all, I need the keys. I want to check my mark. His name is Anderson Boyard. So, okay. I'll check if this has fuel in it. Okay, we have fuel. Baggage, do you want to go to school? There's a shovel right here. We would have get crushed by that car. I went on a rainy day with this thing. I thought I was going to slide off the hill, so I praise God I didn't go off the hill. So, if you don't notice, beep. So if you don't notice, we had to go to here for this Master Force thing, but like up here probably up here somewhere. Looks like there's someone up there, but damn it! Oh shit! There's a Wasper. Forgot I was recording. Yeah. Didn't mean to say that. It's actually a beep. Like beep. For that. It was an accident. There was a bee. There was a bee on. I think on me. I didn't mean to say that. But we got down here for another one of those. One of those right there. See? Right there. One of those. But I just want to check on him. Okay, that'll be all of this video.